Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Reno4 Z, and today I'll show you how you can take screenshot with gesture without using any buttons. Open settings. Right now go for configuration tools, tap on the screenshot, and as you can see here we get the methods. So we can use 3-finger swipe down or 3-finger touch and hold. So let's enable both of them and let's see if it works. So the first we are going to check swipe. As you can see, the screenshot was taken. When we click on it, we are able to save by tapping on the right upper corner. We can make crop. And let's check if the method with clicking and holding works. Yeah, it also works. As you can see, we can capture the screen just like that. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.